What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at a new chair. This is the LiberNovo Omni. This is the world's first dynamic ergonomic chair. There's a lot of chairs on the market, but this is definitely the most advanced chair I've tested so far. Not only is it packed with a ton of features, but it's also very comfortable as well. So if you happen to be shopping for an office or gaming chair, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones on the market. So as far as assembly goes, this chair has some electronics and a battery, so I was worried it was going to be a more longer and time-consuming assembly process, but this was by far one of the most easiest chairs I have ever assembled. From unboxing to having the chair ready to go, it was about a 15 or 20 minute process. Basically, if you can turn a screwdriver, then you can definitely assemble this chair as well. And as you can see here, they even include gigantic step-by-step instructions. So instead of fumbling with a little booklet and having to stop and read that and go back to your assembly, this allowed me to assemble, just glance over, see the next step, and proceed with assembling the chair very easily and quickly. So definitely appreciate that they have that giant sheet in the box. All right, so real quick, one thing that's very popular with marketing is buzzwords. So right now with technology and speakers, one thing they like using very often is the word AI. It makes it sound better. It makes it sound like it's doing something high tech when it really isn't. Same with chairs. A lot of times they're not very comfortable. They just have one basic adjustment. And just because it has that one adjustment, they market and sell it as an ergonomic chair. And then you buy it and that thing is horrible and not comfortable at all. And in most cases, that word ergonomic has nothing to do with the actual comfort of the chair. But in this case, this qualifies as a truly ergonomic chair that really does conform to the shape of your body and provide very good support. So taking a closer look at the actual seating area of the chair, here in the backrest, you have this soft, breathable fabric material. It feels kind of like microfiber or like a bath towel. It's just a very soft and nice feeling material. And this is the first time I've tried any chair with a fabric like this one, as a lot of them just have a basic cushion or a more simple mesh material. And then behind this, you have a foam padding. And here at the back, you have this exoskeleton looking theme, which I'll go over shortly. Coming to the top, you have this same microfiber-like material, but you also have a different but very soft foam material up here. And then last but not least, here at the bottom, you have zone support, which is not something I've seen on many other chairs. So here in the back, it's more firm, and this provides more support for your sit bones. Here in the middle, it's a medium density to kind of give some support to your thigh area. And then you have a softer area here in the front so that when your legs are hanging over, it's not putting pressure, and it's just letting your legs relax on that. I'm very picky when it comes to seat bottoms on chairs. A lot of them are too narrow, or they're too soft or too hard here in the front, and I end up feeling discomfort behind my knees and upper thigh area. But this is by far one of the best seat bottoms I've tried so far. Even the back, just very comfortable. I've sat on this chair for multiple hours at a time over the past 2 weeks, and this thing is just like sitting on a cloud. You can get a very basic ergonomic chair these days for about $250, $300, and some of them are actually good quality. And then you have some that cost $1,000 or more, and really there's not that much difference between those two chairs. But in this case, the price is 100% justified, as this chair is a lot more comfortable than all the other chairs I've tried and own. All right, so before we dive into all the different features and specifications, I want to start off with the most unique part about this chair, and that's the Bionic FlexFit backrest. As you can see here, you have a very unique spine-looking design, and this has 8 flexible panels connected by 14 dual connection points, which altogether forms a large dynamic backrest that pretty much moves like an actual spine. So as you sit, this will actually move and flex to your body shape and sitting style to give you the best support possible. So you see you have all these different linkage points, which let everything move independently. And then the panels themselves also have a good amount of flex as well. Most chairs just have an adjustable lower backrest, which is fine, but this is completely in its own league when it comes to overall ergonomics. If all of that wasn't enough, this is actually a battery-powered system, so it's not just rubber bands and adjustment knobs. but actually a system that electronically adjusts the backrest. So as you can see right here, I'm holding the button down, and you can see it has a whole motor there, which actually flexes the lower backrest area. So you can move this in very fine increments and get it to the right pressure and depth that you prefer when you're sitting. Most chairs put most of the pressure on your lower back and upper back, but again, this one customizes its shape to you and how you're sitting. So there are completely no pressure points and just a fully supportive backrest. And that does stay true no matter how you have this adjusted. So a lot of these chairs will push the lower backrest area out, and this will stay the same. So what happens is you get sort of a triangle here with a gap. But with this one, as you can see, if I move the lower back area out, this actually moves back again. So this stays supportive and fully in contact with your back the entire time. And how you control this is with these two arrows right here. So if you want less pressure, you just push on that arrow. Then if you want to put the backrest out more, you just hold down that one and then it'll move out. And as I just said, it does have a very large range of adjustments that you can make right here from the panel. And as you can see, it is on a very easy spot. So as you're sitting and you want to make an adjustment, all you gotta do is slide your arm back barely, make the adjustments you need to make, and then go back to working just like that. So just with that feature alone, this chair is already miles ahead of anything else out there, but they actually took things a step further and added what's called an OmniStretch Massage into the chair as well. So as you can see here, there's actually a third button, and when you push this, the backrest will come out to the max position and then go back in and repeat that cycle. This way it's going to go ahead and stretch out your back. As sitting down on the computer, you're going to get kind of tense and locked up after a while. But just clicking on this button, it'll run for 5 minutes and just give you a refresh to go ahead and get your back stretched out. So definitely a very cool feature to have in this chair. It does work if you're sitting in a regular upright position, but for the best effect, it's better if you lean back, and that's where it's going to go ahead and give you a much better back stretch. As I said earlier, this has electronics, but there's nothing to plug in or anything like that. This is actually very conveniently powered by a 12-volt 2200 milliamp battery, and it's located right here. So as you're sitting down, all you gotta do is reach to the side like that and it pops out. Very easy to insert and remove, so you don't even need to look down when you're taking it out or putting it back in. Despite being only a 12-volt 22 milliamp battery, this actually has a very long battery life. So if you use one massage every single day, you're gonna get 30 days out of this battery. And then if you're mostly just doing basic adjustments, you can actually get an entire year all on a single charge. So definitely very good that it has that long battery life, as the last thing I would like to do is have another device to charge every day or two. And like I said earlier, when it is time to charge, all you gotta do is reach down, take it out, and it has a USB-C port. Go ahead and charge that up. And then shortly after, just pop that back in, and just like that, you're good to go for up to another year. Coming to the bottom side of the chair, you have two adjustment knobs here, which are both very easy to reach and use as well. So right here on the right, you have your height adjustment. And right now, this is the chair at the lowest position. Just turn that and the chair will go up. And as you can see, you do have a good height adjustment there. And right here next to it, you have your recline positions. And this can adjust from 105 degrees to 160 degrees with 4 positions to accommodate different tasks you might be doing. So at 105 degrees, this is going to put you mostly upright to put you in a more locked in, focused working position. And then the next one is 120 degrees, which has a slight recline, but still in a comfortable working position. After that, you have 135 degrees, which is a more lean back, relaxed state, good for streaming or watching something on a screen. And last but not least, you have 160 degrees, which lays all the way back in a very relaxed state. And this is also going to work very well if you use the massage feature with that as well. And one thing I noticed, even at the furthest reclined back position, it still felt completely stable, whereas other chairs often feel like you're about to tip and fall backward. Taking a look at the armrest, these are 4D armrests. You have a somewhat firm padding here, which I prefer on chairs. Sometimes chairs have them too soft, and that feels good at first, but then it flattens out and becomes a hard pressure point. But with firmer ones like this, they hold their shape while providing support. And this is a 4D armrest, so you can move it up and down. And as you can see, it does have a good amount of travel. You can angle it inward and outward, and then you can move it forward and back. And it's kind of hard to do this with one hand, so I'm not going to do it. But this whole arm area can click out one adjustment as well. And then right now it's at the center adjustment. And then you can also click it one more inward as well. So depending on how broad your shoulders are or how inward or outward you prefer to put your arms, you can also make that adjustment right there as well. So let me go ahead and actually try this. So there it is at the center position. And then there it is at the most inward position. And then coming up top, definitely a very comfortable headrest. Like I said earlier, this has this very soft fabric on the outside. And inside of this has a hydrophilic sponge. As you can see here, it does have a good amount of springiness to it. So while it is soft, it does maintain its shape. And then right here, this has 3 different adjustments. So you can move this all the way forward like that. Or you can press this button and then slide it all the way back. You can move this up and down. And then you also have this swivel mechanism as well. So just like the rest of the chair, very easy to get that tailored to your specific body shape and sitting style. And one thing that's very unique on this chair is what's called the SyncroLink Mechanism. So a lot of chairs, when they tilt, basically the whole chair just tilts as one piece. So you end up looking in the sky, your arms end up going up, and it's just the chair doing that. But on this one, when you tilt back, all the pieces move differentially to keep you in a supported and proper posture. So as you can see here, as I recline the chair, the armrest slide backward to keep you in the proper posture. And then the headrest also moves to keep your head straight. So like I said earlier, with a lot of other chairs, when it tilts you back, you end up looking at the sky. And to look at your screen, you pretty much got to hunch forward. But with this one, it lets you tilt back, but adjust in a way so that you're still looking straight. So again, just like they advertise, definitely a very dynamic ergonomic chair. So besides the chair, I also have their step sync footrest, which I highly recommend getting with the chair as it does overall improve the ergonomics and comfort of the chair. So as you can see here, it has 2 different levels. So it has the bottom level, and this is adjustable. So as you seat, instead of having your feet planted straight, you put them in an angle, which is better for overall blood circulation. And as you can see right here, it does have a little hole right there, and that's an adjustment point. So you can have it where I have it now or have it more of a tilt. And which one works better will depend on your overall height. And then up here up top, you have the second layer. So the first one is basically for everyday sitting. You put this under your desk and that'll put your feet in a more comfortable position. And just by having your feet at this curved angle, it does feel a lot more comfortable in your thigh area and down here with your feet. And then when you want to lean back and relax, that's when you put your legs up here. And that's basically relax mode. So you can either have your feet up like this with one of the middle level tilts, or if you want to do a full relaxing session, that's where you can lean all the way back, turn on that back massage, and then you go ahead and get a full relaxation going on. So definitely a nice little accessory to have. And this was even easier than the chair to assemble. Everything just clicks in place. There's no screws at all. From unboxing this to having it assembled, it was maybe about 1.5 minutes, maybe 2 minutes at the most. And as you can see, I can lift it up very easily as it's only 4.41 pounds. That's even lighter than a gallon of milk. So when you want to move this around, it's not going to be a hassle or anything like that. Just get it, move it where you want it to be. And just like that, very easily continue to relax. Overall, this is definitely one of the best ergonomic chairs on the market. It's very comfortable. It has a ton of customizations that you won't find on any other chair. And best of all, it also comes at a great price for everything you're getting as well. All in all, if you happen to be shopping for a new chair, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the LiberNovo Omni. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.